Hello guys! It's another week. Today is, I think it's just Monday. Yeah, it's just Monday, guys. I just got home from work, but we finally got a new kitchen hood today, and I'm so excited to show you guys. Let me actually get my phone too so I could just show Instagram while I'm at it. Oh my gosh, that's like the first thing I looked at as soon as I got home today because I knew they were putting it in. They started painting. It's coming together now that the hood is in. Oh my gosh, guys, it looks so much better than it was before. Like, I'm so happy. And here it is, guys. So before, you guys saw it was like a little hood with cabinet and cabinet. We wanted a statement piece, but the other one just kind of looked weird where then it like dipped down with that cabinet over there. This looks so much better. Definitely a statement piece. I love it. I can't wait to use my stovetop too. So excited. And they also started painting today. So this is like a gray color that we chose. It is called Shoreline from, I think it's Sherwin-Williams. And the bottom is gonna be like a semi-gloss white for the molding parts. But yeah, it's starting to come together and it matches the floors and it's great.
Are you ready to play? Are you ready to play? Can I have your roller skate? Can I see it? Are we gonna show it to everybody? What do you think? Oh, there we go. There's your roller skate.
Okay guys, here's to hoping that my house is done soon. So I feel like I need to document another moment of me using the bathroom as my kitchen. So I have all these dishes I gotta wash.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
That felt like it was like a whole 25 minutes, even though the camera only said it was 11 minutes. But it felt like literally like it took forever, and it's not even like I had plates or forks or anything. It's just mostly my containers for work and just a couple of like other things. I used up dates and pistachios that we had, so I washed that because I had them in the tight sealed containers. My coffee cup, like this is like my daily thing, and it doesn't even include like dinners. So this morning when I got up, I felt a tick on Cuba, and so it's like 5 a.m. this morning and I'm pulling out a tick. You guys see, are you guys seeing this? This is huge, and I'm so glad I got the head out. But here's the thing, guys. I just felt another one on this poor baby that I now have to get out. And it needs to come out with the head. I'm always so scared that the head's not gonna come out because then I have to take him to the vet and then they have to burn that piece off because you never know if they have like Lyme disease or whatever. So, I'm sorry, baby. You have another one I gotta get out. So I need you to lay down, okay? Come on, I need to save you. Lay down. Oh. Come on. Come on, I'm sorry. Come on. I'm sorry. I gotta get this out. Alright guys, I got it, and I got both the heads. Oh my god, I literally hate ticks so much. Hello guys, another day here. I just got home. My face got some color because we were on a trip all day today. at work. We took the kids to Coney Island, and I had an eventful morning because it was pouring rain this morning, guys. It was pouring rain and my shoes ripped. Not just like in any normal way, they ripped from the bottom. So when I stepped in like a puddle of water, my whole foot was like soaking wet. So I got to work, I was like, what am I supposed to do with that? How am I supposed to go to Coney Island with wet shoes? And we knew it was gonna stop raining, so that was fine, but yeah, I needed new shoes. So what happened was that the art room, the kids are painting shoes, like white sneakers. So that was a size 8 and they fit me. But guys, there was no way I was gonna wear those outside in public. Like, nope. So first period I had free, luckily, so I was able to go to Target and I bought myself some new sneakers. The only kind of sneakers they had. Like, I really did not have any options. But at least I had something. And my fiance and my sister think it's the best pair of sneakers I ever bought. Kuba and I are about to enjoy this hammock. Babe put it in while I was at work today, and I've been waiting to test it out, so let's do that. We made it onto the hammock.
And we're just chilling.
It definitely needs to be a little wider, but I'm still enjoying it, guys.
It's so great, right? We're enjoying our time here. Are you, mister? Yes, you are.
He's been enjoying the wind blowing in his face.
Right? What do you think? Stop waving your arm. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Enjoy the wind. Enjoy the wind. It's so nice. Just relaxing.
Guys, I can't believe how good everything is doing. My lettuce, my tomatoes are ginormous. But guys, look at this asparagus. My one little asparagus stalk, that is huge. I swear, it grows like 2 inches every day. Everything is doing so good. I still don't know what this is planted, but it's something. My strawberries just keep disappearing. They're there and then they're gone because something keeps eating it. My snow peas. Wow. Look at these things. Oh my goodness. As long as they... Wait, that needs to stay there. Wow. Oh wow, this one vined onto both of those. Okay. They're doing really good. And this tomato plant also. And then, not that one. My cucumber's doing pretty good too. These ticks are gonna be the death of me, guys. I just found another tick on Kuba. I found 2 more last night. He's had 5 ticks since he's been here. There must be a lot of ticks, and they must love him because he had the canine Advantix treatment. He gets it every month. So I don't know, but this one is scaring me because he's so red in that spot where I just pulled it out and where I found it. I don't know if you guys could tell. I'm gonna show you guys. He's so red. It's scaring me. Like, I put Neosporin on it, but oh my god, poor baby is so red. Yeah, Mr. Baby. I'm just so worried, and I hope that this tick wasn't carrying any kind of disease or anything. And I've never seen his skin that red before from a tick, so I'm very worried. I do have all the ticks in a bag, so if anything they could get tested to see which disease it was carrying. But at that point, if there was a disease, fingers crossed there's not, guys, like fingers crossed, knock on wood, but at least we would know what disease it was. But at the same time, then he would have whatever because the tick was, oh my god, it was in him. So I'm freaking out just a little bit, guys. This one is the tick I just found on him. That one. This one is still alive from yesterday. There's 2 others from another day, plus that little teeny tiny one. I found that one yesterday also. He was scratching on that little teeny tiny one. So there's 5 in here. And I gotta clean Babe's dresser because it looks like there's coffee rings here. Oh my gosh, guys. Why is it just one thing after another today? It's not another tick, but I was just watching a video and it made me really upset and sick to my stomach. It's, oh my gosh. So you guys know, for when I was making yogurt, I was using a specific brand of milk, the Fairlife brand of milk. I just recently started buying it over the past couple of months based on the recommendation from the website that I got the recipe from. Nobody knew what was actually happening at this farm, but they have been undercover, like people investigating for this brand of milk. And it is a Coca-Cola like owned I guess company, and the way they were treating their cows, I'm heartbroken. Like, I will no longer support and buy Fairlife milk. I hope that the person that I did get the recipe from, I hope she shares and gives us an alternative to that milk, but I will try and find another one because I will not support all of that animal cruelty going on at that farm. I will link a video if you are brave enough to watch it that I just saw on Instagram. I'm heartbroken. Don't watch it if, I mean, just watch it. You don't want to, not even don't watch it. Like, I was gonna say don't watch it if you get squeamish, but like, people need to know this and people need to see this because this is happening in our world to get us milk. And for the longest time, I've also been trying to find a dairy-free milk alternative. That's actually why I originally bought the Instant Pot that made yogurt. I wanted to make coconut yogurt that had no dairy in it whatsoever, and I have failed miserably every single time that I try to do it. So then I just was like, you know what, let me try it the regular way, and I found that recipe that recommended the Fairlife brand, and no longer will I be making that. So I guess I'm back to square one because I much rather have a dairy-free milk alternative for yogurt so I can make some. I need to figure out how to make it work and find a recipe that works because I've had no success using no milk. But yeah, I will link that Instagram post with the videos about Fairlife milk and their Fair Oak farms. I'll link that down below. Okay guys, that is gonna be it for today's vlog, or I mean it's been a week-long vlog from like Monday through Friday, and then I'll do another one over the weekend. Hopefully over the summer I'll be able to get some more vlogs out to you guys. Like right now, none of my vlogs are monetized anymore since I was gone for a while and not posting things. They demonetized my account, and I need a certain amount of like watch hours to be able to apply for monetization again. So I'm thinking if I post more videos that might help, but right now I'm not even anywhere close. So I'm just doing these because I like vlogging and I was happy to finally get back into it. So I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. If you guys do enjoy my vlog videos, please share with your friends and family who also might enjoy my vlog videos. And I'm gonna get to some crafting because I have to make a whole entire album and figure out like what kind of album or folio I want to make for this month's Scrappy Christmas Craft Series. But at the same time, I'm slightly distracted because I still never filled this one. I have this base done and I just started using some paper that I had already like started using in like a paper pad. So I've been trying to get this one finished at the same time. So yeah, I want to finish this, but then I also want to start planning my Scrappy Christmas Crafts one because I have to get that video and tutorial done this weekend because the next weekend on Saturday is when I have to post it. And I don't have any other like additional days off in between because I still work this week. So yeah. Alright guys, I'll figure it out and I'll see you guys in my next vlog video. Talk to you soon. Bye.